Whether you're changing a wheel or working under a low car, a hydraulic car jack, wheel ramps and jack stands are vital. Here are some tips to setting these up safely. Here's what you'll need: wheel ramps, wheel chocks, a hydraulic car jack and jack stands. First off, raise the car using car ramps. Drive up slowly until you feel like you have reached the top. Chock the unlifted wheels. Ensure the release valve is closed firmly. Place the jack under the recommended structural beam. Pump the handle to raise the jack, making sure you hit the beam in the centre. As the head cap approaches the vehicle, make a final inspection to ensure the load will be centred. Pump the handle slowly to raise the vehicle to the required height. Raise the jack stands to the required height by pulling up the ratchet bar. Pull the secure locking knob out and twist to lock position and release to lock the height adjustment. Place the stands under the vehicle, making sure the stands will contact a secure portion of the vehicle. Slowly turn the hydraulic jack handle counterclockwise to lower the vehicle onto the jack stands. To get the vehicle back on the ground, lift the vehicle by repeating the raise procedure. Remove the jack stands. Lower the hydraulic jack, ensuring the vehicle comes down smoothly and safely. And now, you've done it right.
Autobarn.